Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to hide notification on lock screen. So hiding your notifications on lock screen is actually pretty easy. So there's actually two ways for us to do this. So the first way to do this is accessing your messages app information. Now to access this, you first want to go to settings. And in here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says apps. Now under apps, what you need to do is you want to go to manage apps. Under manage apps, the first thing that you want to do is you have to change a few things here. You want to click on the three dotted icon that you see at the top right of your screen, and from here just click on show all apps. Now here, what you need to do is you want to search for the messages section here. So just type in message and you should be able to see the messages application and just click on that. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to scroll down a bit until you see the notification sections under permissions. Now here, just click on notifications. And from here, what you need to look for is the lock screen notifications. Now in here, what you need to do is you just basically need to turn that off. Now once you turn this off, the notifications on your lock screen will now be disabled. Now if you want to do this the other way, which is actually the easier way for us to do this, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings again. So let's just go back real quickly into our settings. Now here, what you need to do is you want to look for notification itself. Now here, what you need to do is just click on messages again. And in here, you should be able to see the same UI that we just saw before, which is the lock screen notifications. And from there, you just need to disable that and you should be good. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.